Very good morning, dear children. Dear children, we are on Civics Chapter 3, which is electoral politics. And children, we were discussing the different steps of the election process, and we have discussed, first of all, we discussed about the electoral constituencies, how the constituencies are there distributed, the whole country is distributed into different constituencies. Then we talked about the reserved constituencies. We checked out how the voters list is made. Fine. Then the candidates, they fill their nomination. Fine, children. Now after filling their nomination, now the candidates are going to start their election campaign. So what is it? The main purpose of election is to give people a chance to choose their representatives, children, and the government and the policies which they prefer, they can give preference to that. But children, before it is very very necessary, very important to have a free and open discussion with those representatives. How the person will get to know about the candidate, fine, who is standing in the election. So to get means to get that exposure, this election campaign is done. Fine. So in our country, the election campaign takes place for 2 weeks period, just from the date of announcement to the final list of candidate. Uh, of the candidate, when the election is announced, the final list is announced. From that day, before the polling, it goes on. Fine. Now here, the all the political candidates, all the candidates who are standing in the elections, they are going to address their meetings, or they are going to going to ask for the support to people. Fine. Now at this time, the newspaper, the television is full of stories related to this. Fine. So the election commission is not limited in these 2 weeks, children. Rather, the political parties, they start working on it before, before many months. Like many of the times you might have seen advertisements on the television. So that is also a part of election campaign. Fine. Now in these election campaigns, the political parties, they just focus, they want to attract the public attention towards them. That's the reason why they talk on big issues. Fine. They are attracting the people so that the people get attracted towards them, and they should vote them in as much as they can. Fine. So here are some examples given to you. Fine. Like the political parties, they give different slogans. So that is given by the Congress party, Garibi Hatao. Fine, in 1971. Then same democracy was given by Janta Party. Fine, in 1977. Then left gave the slogan of land to the tiller in 1977 in West Bengal. Then the Telugu Desam party also gave protect the self-respect of the Telugu. So all this type of slogans are given by different parties to attract the attention of the voter. Fine. Now sometimes, like in a democracy, it should be left to the political parties, to the candidates, but how free they should be left free in these election campaigns. But children, as you all know, that everybody likes freedom, but no one is making a full use of it. So just to ensure that every political party, every candidate gets a fair and equal chance, so according to our election law, no party or no candidate can bribe anyone, can threaten any voter. Fine. The candidate cannot appeal in the name of any caste and religion. It should be kept separate. It should not be included in voting. They cannot use the government resources, fine, in the election campaign, and there is a limit for money also. They can spend 25 lakhs in a constituency for Lok Sabha and 10 lakhs in a constituency for assembly elections. So If they are not doing so, if they are not adhere to these rules, their election, their nomination can be rejected also. Fine. The court can take action on this. There is some code of conduct which is for the election campaigns, and what is that? You cannot use any place of worship for election propaganda. You cannot use the name of any place of worship. You cannot use any government vehicle, aircraft, and any officer, government officer, for election purpose. Once, children, the elections are announced, the ministers are not going to put foundation for any project, foundation stone for any project, and they are not going to take big decisions, and even they are not going to promise the public for providing any public facility. Fine. So now the last step, the day came, the final day, which is polling, and after that the counting of votes. Now it's the final stage. This day, on this day, the voters are going to cast their vote. So they are going to, whosoever name is on the voters list will be going to the nearby polling booth, wherever the this voting process is going on. It can be a government office, it can be a local school. Fine. The voter will be going in, the officers there will be identifying that person. They are going to put a mark on the finger, and then the person is allowed to vote. Even children, the agents of different political parties, they also sit inside and they ensure that the voting is done properly. Fine. Now previously, means earlier times, the voting was done with the help of ballot paper. Names are written on a piece of paper, and we had to stamp in front of the candidate which we want. But now, children, nowadays EVMs are there. Fine. Electronic voting machines are there to record the votes. Fine. So these machines are just showing you the names of the candidates with the party symbols. You have to just press the button in front of the candidate you want to elect. Fine. All the voters, they are just pressing the button and the voting is done. Once the polling is over, all the EVMs will be taken to a secure place. And a few days later, whenever they have announced the election result, on that day they are going to open those EVMs and then they are going to count on the votes. Fine. The highest number of votes, the party or the candidate which gets the highest number of votes will be declared elected. Fine. In general elections, counting of votes in all constituencies takes place in the same time. In the general election, same time, same day. Fine. And in state elections, it can differentiate. Fine. And you might have seen television channels, radios, newspapers, they are full of these news only when the election result is about to come. Fine. So after a few hours of counting, all the results are declared, and it becomes very clear to people that which party is going to make the next government. Fine. So this was all about today's topic, children. Thank you and have a nice day.